Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter 2nd of your HSC 11th standard textbook. I have made a separate video regarding the text of this lesson. In this video, we are going to learn about some grammar. So first topic for grammar in this lesson is the irregular verb avoir. In my previous video, I have explained that in French there are two types of verbs broadly, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs which mean there is some set pattern for some rules of conjugation. Uh, you do not need to memorize the regular verbs as there is some pattern there is set, but in irregular verbs you have to memorize entire conjugations. Now by conjugations what do I mean? You can see the box over here. The verb takes different forms with different subject pronouns. Subject pronouns means je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. This we have learned in the previous video. So for different subject pronouns the verb takes different forms. These are known as conjugations. So in irregular verbs you have to memorize the conjugations. The verb avoir is irregular verb which means to have. Now there are two columns, singular and plural. In the singular one we have j'ai, which means I have, je plus ai. So there are two vowels clashing, e from je and a from ai. So je is taking an apostrophe. J'ai means I have. Tu as means you have. Il a, he or it has. Elle a, she or it has. On a, one has. Now in the plural column we have nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. These are what? These are the conjugations of the verb avoir in present tense. I'll repeat once again. So, firstly, what does avoir mean? Avoir means to have. So, j'ai means I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he or it has. Elle a, she or it has. On a means one has. In the plural, we have nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. These are the conjugations of the verb avoir. You need to memorize this by heart. Now there is a girl at the right side. She says, J'ai 300. J'ai 300, which means I am 3 years old. Now in English we say I am. So am means the verb être in French, which we have learned previously. But there is an exception. While saying age, while saying some sentence for our age, we will use the verb avoir. This is an exception. This dialogue box, the one which the girl is saying, it literally means I have 3 years. Okay, but it is translated as I am 3 years old. So this is an exception you have to keep in mind. J'ai 3 ans. Beneath there is a note given. Note, we use the verb avoir to speak about age. Okay. Now moving on to the left hand side. Quel âge as-tu? What old, how old are you? So, quel âge as-tu, Sophie? How old are you, Sophie? Then Sophie is replying, J'ai 300. So, the question for asking the age will also contain the verb avoir and it is inverted. While asking the question, we say, How old you are? No. We say, How old are you in English as well. So, in French also, tu as becomes as-tu. It is inverted and a hyphen is added in between. So, quel âge as-tu? Then answer is j'ai 3 ans. I am 3 years old. I hope you're through with avoir. I'm making these videos short so you can come back as many times as you need. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.